Okay, here's what's doing real quick video, guys. This is what's going down. I'm going to do something completely different for you, and I'm going to give you some free cool things. First of all, I'm going to give you a free done-for-you funnel that'll make you money. Secondly, I'm going to give you a free piece of software where you can make your own funnels. I'm looking out for you. Okay, here's what's doing. Friend of mine came out with a killer piece of software that makes monetized videos. I mean, video is where it's at. Video is made me a lot of money. I've made a lot of money with my videos on YouTube. And before we even go any further, YouTube, maximum respect. Thank you. I'm nothing but grateful to YouTube. If you want me to come and clean the toilets for you to pay you back, I'm willing to do whatever it takes. I mean, I'm just so grateful to YouTube. So that out of the way, my buddy Brennan made a cool piece of software that can get you guys making money. I'm not even gonna hype about it. I'm not even gonna tell you anything about it because I just hate that kind of pitchy crap, right? So here's what I'm gonna do. I was gonna make a video and saying, hey guys, and tell you all the benefits of this software, what it could possibly do for you, and tell you to go check it out. My throat, you know, like I usually do, or like any other affiliate marketer would do, right? I'm not going to do that to you. And I even made a bonus page for anybody that buys that piece of software through my link. You will get these bonuses if you buy this thing. Well, I came up with 2 bonuses that I thought were really good that could probably help you guys. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to make you buy the product to get the bonuses like every other chucklehead out there. Here's what I want you to do. Because I'm too lazy and too depressed right now to make the video showing you what this software does and everything, I'm going to do this. I'm just going to put a link to it down there, and I'm going to ask you to do one thing. Go look at that video on that page. Click the link, go check it out. If it's in your wheelhouse, I mean, if you want to make money with video, click it, go watch this video, right? Okay, now I'm going to give you the bonus page because I made a bonus page for that for anybody that buys it, but I'm going to give it to you whether you buy it or not. So right underneath that first link to go see this video, and you're on your honor system on that, I don't care. I don't care if you buy it. I don't care what you do, but I want to give you those bonuses for free anyway. I'm not going to be like one of those idiots that says, oh, you have to buy it to get the bonus. Look, I think the bonus will help you anyway, so I want to give you the bonuses. So the link to the free bonuses, which one is a done-for-you, completely done-for-you funnel. And it starts out with a killer squeeze page, just like what you're looking at now, right? That's a squeeze page. And that's the beginning of anybody's funnel. So this is going to be completely done for you. You're going to get a squeeze page like that. And the funnel is going to work for you on the back end on autopilot. All you have to do is type in a few of your links. Boom goes the dynamite. And it's free. And yes, there are upgrades to it, but you don't have to get it, and you'll still make money with the free version. Second thing is a free piece of software. That's a piece of software that'll make funnels for you, like ClickFunnels does, or any one of these other things that are real freaking expensive. Most of those funnel software things, you have to pay a monthly fee. Well, this one, download it, use it forever, 0 fees, 0 nothing. Again, the only thing I ask you is to do me a solid and click on that first link and go look at my buddy's video. If it's in your wheelhouse, you can buy it. You don't have to. I don't care. It doesn't. Look, I'm set. You know, this is the thing. Everybody accuses affiliate marketers like me of only pitching things because it makes them money. If you know anything about me, I don't talk about anything if I don't think it can help the people that follow me. And I get tons of people every day asking me, hey, pitch my product, pitch my this, pitch my that, you know, run an affiliate campaign for this and that. And, you know, 99.9% of the time, I just don't do it because I don't believe in the product. Now, when somebody puts a product before me, I will buy that product. You know, they'll give it to me for free, but I don't do that. I buy the product and I go through the process because I want to see what it would be like. You know, I'm looking out for you. I want to see what it's like from your perspective. If there's any problems in the buyer process, I'm not going to do that. So anyway, I go through the buyer process and then I go through the product and I look at the product. If it has merit, then I will present it to people. But here's the thing. No matter what I put out there, somebody's going to say, oh, it's a piece of shit. It didn't work for me. Well, nothing works for everybody all the time. And I never say that. I never say, hey, go get this thing. It's going to work for you. It's going to make you money. Because I can't say that. And the reason I can't say that is because I don't know you from shit. I don't know you at all. So how could I possibly say this is going to work for you? You might be too stupid to even turn on a computer, right? I can't make those promises. So the best I can do is say, hey, look, I look at the product and I think it has merit for a lot of people. So go take a look at it. If it's in your wheelhouse and you think it can make you money, go for it. It's got a guarantee. I won't talk about anything that doesn't have a guarantee. But I know from personal experience that videos have made me a lot of money. It's a good path to try. And I'll give you the bonuses for free even if you don't buy the damn thing. I just want you guys to have paths, different paths to success that might make you money. Now that I've said that, I want to talk a little bit about something I talked about before, which was onepennyemails.com. And that's an all-in-one, I know I'm digressing, going off into left field, right? But that platform has made me money time and time again. And a couple of days ago, I used it and I sent out an email through their platform and I made $1,000 from that one email. It took me 4 minutes. I timed it 4 minutes to sit down and type, to send out that email. Most of it was pre-written. I just took an email that I already had in the system. I hit the load button. I changed a few words and I changed the link to a different product. I hit the send button, $1,000. So those of you that have contacted me and said, hey, that one penny emails thing doesn't work, you know, I get this with anything I talk about. I get some emails saying, hey, it doesn't work. No, it didn't work for you. But here's the thing, and I even had one guy say this. The platform is bogus. The platform doesn't work. Well, maybe it's not the platform, maybe it's you. Maybe it didn't work because you don't have enough experience to make it work. So this is what I want to tell some of you chuckleheads. Rather than passing the blame onto the platform, take responsibility for your own failures. Now I know that sounds harsh. I know it sounds like I'm yelling at you. Pull up your big boy pants and quit snivel bitching about the outside forces. No. The outside forces are not making you a failure. Platforms, yeah, there can be shitty platforms out there that don't work. But if a platform is working for somebody like me and several other people that I know, and you say that that platform does not work, you're delusional. You have to accept responsibility for your own failure. And the reason I say that is because that's what's going to serve you well. When you accept responsibility for your failures, you say, oh, that platform worked for Kinghuman, and it worked for Cam Fats, and it worked for this guy, and it worked for that guy, and it worked for that guy. Why doesn't it work for me? It must be that I don't have enough education to make it work. Because the platform onepennyemails.com is a tool. And you will want to bring some skills to that platform. Email marketing skills in particular. Yes, there is training in there, but most people don't even take that training, and they don't bother to learn the things that I know and the things that Cam knows and the things that Brendan knows. I mean, they just won't go through the process. Okay, I went into a huge digression there. Again, I'm just too depressed to make a full explainer on this software. I mean, this whole Amazon situation. I think I just watched the beginning of the end of humanity with the burning of the Amazon rainforest. This is the most vile, disgusting thing I've seen ever. And it comes from the head of Brazil, the president of Brazil, said, and he said this from day one. He said, I want to clear cut the Amazon. I want to sell it to the big agri companies. Let's do that. And so, you know, in Trump fashion, the idiot shit weasels believe it, and the farmers went out and they started this fire and to clear the freaking Amazon. The Amazon is the lungs of our planet. It cleans the air for us. So not only do we have a double whammy going on, that the Amazon is not going to be cleaning the air like it used to, but it's done the exact opposite. Now it's spewing huge amounts of carbon in the air. I mean, go look at pictures of Sao Paulo right now. It looks like night. This is the most depressing thing. We've got people attacking the environment for short-term gains, and I don't understand these people. What, do they not have grandkids? Do they not? I can't take it. I can't take it. I'm going nuts. Okay, click those links. I don't give 1/5 of a half-eaten shit what you do. Do it, don't do it. What do I care? It's the end of the world.